The Plaud Note Pro is a compact AI voice recorder built for people who are tired of missing details in meetings, calls, or random moments of genius. It is slim, minimal, and designed to be always ready. The big selling point is simple, high quality audio recording paired with AI transcription and summaries through the Plaud app. Recording quality is solid for its price, voices come through clearly, and it handles meetings, lectures, and phone calls without much drama. Battery life is good enough for daily use, and the design feels premium instead of gadget thrower junk. Using it is straightforward. You press the button to start recording, press again to stop. That's it. The audio syncs to the Plaud app where AI turns recordings into text, summaries, and key points automatically. You can rename files, export transcripts, or review highlights later. The AI isn't perfect, accents and noisy rooms still trip it up, and advanced features live behind the subscription. But if you want a physical, distraction free way to capture conversations and thoughts, Plaud Note Pro does its job well. Worth it if you record often, live it if your phone already does everything you need.